The Google Pixel 9 series was launched in August last year, and we got not 2 but 4 smartphones under the Pixel 9 series. There was the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL and also the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Soon we are getting the Google Pixel 9a, and while we are waiting for the launch of the Pixel 9a, the renders of the Google Pixel 10 series have leaked today, giving us our first look at the design. These renders were shared by OnLeaks in collaboration with Android Headlines, and they reveal the design of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. So in this video, let us talk about what is new in terms of the design, if there is anything new. Starting with the vanilla model, the Google Pixel 10 is coming with one major design change versus the Pixel 9. As we can see, the phone now has 3 cameras on the back instead of just 2. This means finally we are getting a telephoto camera on the vanilla Pixel, something which was not the case with the previous Pixel phones. Moreover, as we can see, the Pixel 10 has a rectangular lens, which should mean that it has a periscope telephoto camera and not a regular telephoto camera. This is a big upgrade because the lack of a telephoto camera has always been one of the cons of the vanilla Pixel phones, especially when other brands like Samsung offer a telephoto camera on their vanilla models. Apart from an extra camera, there is absolutely no change in the design versus the Pixel 9, and that is a good move because, as we know, last year itself Google made a big design change in the Pixel phones. So it makes sense that the company is sticking to the same design this year. The dimensions are also almost the same, so the phone has the same 6.3-inch display as the Pixel 9. Speaking of the other two phones, they look identical to their predecessors, so there is no change in the design as such. And well, that is all these renders reveal. It is reported that the Tensor G5 chipset that is going to power the Pixel 10 series is built on the TSMC's 3nm process. If true, this is a big change because the previous Tensor chipsets were based on Samsung's manufacturing process and almost all of them had thermal management issues. It is also reported that the Tensor G5 will have a new and upgraded GPU with ray tracing support, a first for Tensor chipsets. Well, that is all we know so far. What do you think of a triple camera setup on the Pixel 10? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.